namely how to open a Revolut account. So let's go ahead and talk about that. First of all, guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There really aren't too many steps involved, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But why would you want to open a Revolut account? It's pretty simple. Revolut is definitely one of the most popular ways to transfer money. Anyway, it's a pretty straightforward process. Everything is handled within the app. It's the black and white one. Check the description of my video. I'll leave the written instructions there as well. But I'm going to open my Revolut app now. Alright, guys, I've opened my Revolut app. Here's the home screen. Now, on the home screen, you can log in if you already have an account, but today we're going to sign up for a new account on Revolut by clicking this white button at the bottom right. Alright, guys, I clicked there. Next, they require you to have a mobile phone number linked to your Revolut account, and they'll send a confirmation code to that number. So, I'm going to enter my mobile number now. Alright, I've entered my mobile phone number. I'm going to click on Sign Up here. Then they sent a 6-digit code to my mobile phone almost immediately. So I'm going to enter that code here now. Next, you have the option to enable notifications for your Revolut app. Personally, I don't really like doing that, so I'm going to click on Not Now. You can do it if you want to. Next, it asks you, what is your country of residence? So you can simply click there and scroll through the different available countries. Once you've chosen your country of residence, you have different options in the Revolut app depending on the country you're signing up for. So go ahead and read the agreements and the information provided here. If everything looks good to you, go ahead and click on Accept and Continue. Next, they ask you to enter your full name. During the verification process, this name must match your official ID, whether it's your driver's license, passport, or any other document you use. So I'm going to enter my first and last name in the Revolut app now. Next, you can choose a rev tag. That's what they call it, but it's basically an identifier for you in the app, kind of like Venmo. So if someone wants to pay you, they can simply use your rev tag. So I'm going to make one up now. Alright, I've chosen my rev tag. If your particular name isn't available, it will appear in red. So keep typing or try again until you find one that turns grey. Next, they ask for your date of birth. You need to use your real date of birth because it will be verified from your ID later in the process. So I'm going to enter my date of birth into the Revolut app now. Alright, next, they ask for my home address and say that, by law, they have to record my address to open my account. So I'm going to enter my address here now. Alright, I've entered my address. I'm going to click on Continue. Alright, next, they ask for my email address to open a new Revolut account. Again, this is how they will communicate with you. So you need to make sure to use a real email here. So I'm going to enter mine off screen. Alright, next they ask for my social security number. This is a requirement due to federal guidelines for opening a new Revolut account. So I'm going to enter my social security number off screen. Alright, next they ask me to take a selfie, and apparently they use this to secure the account and also to authenticate different accesses to my Revolut account that I'm setting up. So I'm going to click on Continue. Alright, now as you can see they have access to my camera, so I'm going to take a selfie now. Alright, next Revolut asks for access to my contacts on my phone, and that way they can access all my contacts and find out who my friends are to make payments between them easier. I don't really like doing that. You can do it by clicking on this blue button. Click on Not Now. Next, you need to create a PIN code for your new Revolut account. This will be a 4-digit code, so I'm going to enter my PIN off screen. Alright, I've entered my PIN and they're asking me to confirm it again. Next, they're asking me why I'm going to use Revolut. For me, I'm mainly going to use it for money transfers. Alright, I've selected a few options there. I'm going to click on Continue. Next, you can choose the type of plan you want to use for your new Revolut account. So they have a metal account at $16.99 per month, and you get various options like card customization. You can exchange up to $200,000 per month with no commission on cryptocurrencies, and you get worldwide travel insurance. There are just a lot of different benefits here. So depending on how much you pay per month, this one is $16.99, the premium is $9.99. So you get more benefits the more you pay, obviously. And then they have the standard, which is free. So with the standard plan, which I'm going to choose, you can exchange up to $200,000 per month with no commission on cryptocurrencies. You can make international payment transfers, 10 per month with no fees, and unlimited free withdrawals at up to 55,000 ATMs in the network. So just scroll through and see which plan suits you. I'm going to choose the one that's free. Here, you can choose the type of card you want. You can opt for a virtual card or a physical debit card. I'm going to go with a virtual debit card. Here, you can add money to your debit card if you want. I'm not going to do that for now. If you need help with this, go back and watch my previous video, which explains this process in detail. So, I set this to 0, and I'm going to click on Continue for free. Alright, so, immediately, my account is approved and my virtual debit card is ready. You can add it to your Apple Wallet right away, if you want. As for me, I'm going to click on Pass for now. I'll add it later. And then, once I click there, it brought me here to the home screen of my new Revolut account. This is the home screen of my Revolut account, as you can see. There you have it, folks. If you're looking for information on how to open a new Revolut account, this is the simplest way I know. If you know of an easier method, feel free to leave a comment below. Let us know how you did it. Did you find this video helpful? If so, click the thumbs up or consider subscribing to my channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.